Hey guys, welcome back to UpClick. In this video, I'll be showing you, discussing with you NanoPolix Car Paint Scratch Remover review. So, the NanoPolix Car Paint Scratch Remover is a nanotechnology-based scratch repair cloth designed to reduce the appearance of light scratches. Now, scuffs and swirl marks, oxidation, water spots, and paint transfer on vehicle's clear coat. Now, according to the official website here, the cloth is infused with nanometal particles and polishing agents that are intended to restore the appearance of paint without using abrasive compounds or professional detailing equipment. Now, the manufacturer here states that it is compatible with all vehicle paint colors and finishes, including cars, motorcycles, trucks, and SUVs. Now, according to the manufacturer as well, the product works by filling the leveling microscopic imperfection in the vehicle's clear coat. As the cloth is rubbed over the affected area here, the nanoparticles are claimed to reduce the visibility of surface scratches by restoring a smoother surface that reflects light more evenly. The company states that this process can also improve gloss while helping remove oxidation, minor stains. However, the product is intended for surface level clear coat damage and not designed to repair deep scratches, dents, or damage that extends through the paint layer. Now, using the NanoPolix here is straightforward. You just need to first wash and completely dry the scratch area to remove dirt and debris. You want to rub the NanoPolix cloth over the affected surface using small circular motions with moderate pressure for about like 60 seconds or until the scratch becomes less noticeable. Afterwards, just wipe away the remaining residue using a clean microfiber cloth to reveal the finished surface. The manufacturer states that the cloth is reusable for multiple applications until the active coating has been depleted. Now, the official website here currently offers several bundle options. Pricing starts at approximately $17.48 per cloth in the buy one get one free package, with larger bundles reducing the cost per cloth even further. Manufacturer also advertised 30-day money-back guarantee, although prices and promotions may change over time, so keep that in mind. But yeah, so if you're interested with this cloth here, doing your own research by checking reviews and information from sources outside the official website is always recommended to help you make an informed purchasing decision. Now, this applies for anything that you're buying online. But that's about it. If you found this video helpful, hit the like and subscribe button and watch our next video.